IDCW or growth? Which mutual fund option is actually better for you? If you've ever invested in mutual funds, you've probably seen these two options and wondered what they really mean. Let's simplify IDCW versus growth in mutual funds in this video. First, let's take a look at IDCW. IDCW stands for Income Distribution cum Capital Withdrawal. Here, the mutual fund may distribute payouts to investors at intervals decided by the fund house. But remember, these payouts are not guaranteed, and the fund's NAV usually falls after every distribution. Regarding the taxation, it is taxable during every payout, and this option is generally preferred by investors looking for regular income. Now let's talk about growth option. In growth mutual funds, there are no periodic payouts. Instead, any profits made by the fund stay invested and continue compounding over time. That means the NAV can grow over the long term, making it suitable for long-term wealth creation, and the tax is applicable only during redemption. Here's a simple example. You invest 1 lakh rupees in the IDCW scheme. The fund earns a 10% return in year, which means 10,000 rupees profit. The fund decides to distribute 6,000 rupees as income dividend. The remaining 4,000 rupees stays in the fund. Now your investment value is 1,04,000 rupees and you receive 6,000 rupees in your bank account, whereas you invest 1 lakh rupees in the growth scheme. The fund earns a 10% return in year, which means 10,000 rupees profit. The 10,000 rupees profit is not paid out to you. It is reinvested back into the fund. Now your investment grows to 1,10,000 rupees. No cash in hand until you redeem your units. So, IDCW versus growth in mutual funds. Which is better? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you want regular payouts, IDCW may suit your needs. If your goal is long-term wealth creation, growth option may be more suitable. The right choice depends on your financial goals, income needs, investment horizon, and tax considerations.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.